Hello everyone, today I will show a series of operations based on Snowflake. The Snowflake supports users to deal with structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data. Today we will focus on the operation of structured data and also show how to translate semi-structured data to the structured ones. Here on screen, you can see a dashboard. This is our target today. We will finish 3 data analysis and turn the analysis result to a dashboard. Now let's start with loading data. Snowflake supports users to upload local files and also load from the cloud storage. Today we will show an example on uploading local files. After you drop your files here, the file will turn to be a table next. But before that, you need to select or create a database and a schema. You can choose an existing database such as SD6103, or you can create a new one. Name is pre. Here you can see a new database named Cree and also a new schema named public. And let's name the table feature. Here you can change the column names and also the data type, but we will not change them. Here is the Data Explorer, and in the Data Preview page, you can see the detailed data. And also, if you turn to table details, you can see the definition of this table here. Here I have created another 2 tables. These 3 tables records the sales records of different stores. Let's see the stores table. It records the store ID and the related type, also the store size. In the sales table, it records the sales records related to different stores and departments. In the features table, it records the features which will affect the sales. Now let's start our first query. Let's say our first question is to see which type of store will bring us most of sales. Before starting our query, we need to select the database we are working on. Let's say we select pre and the related schema is public. And now we can put our code here and run the code. You can see the result is in a format of 2-dimension table, and also the Snowflake offers us a chat view. In this dashboard, you can adjust your chat. Let's say we want to see the type of stores ABC in the x-axis and the sales volume in the y-axis. So you can click here. Now you get the chat you want. And we want to put this chat to our dashboard, so we can choose to move it to an existing dashboard or a new one. Let's say a new one, and the new dashboard named free. Now it's here. If you still want to change the query, you can change it here. And let's say change its name to sales for different store types. Now the first chat is finished. And the Snowflake also offers a function of Python code. So let's start with another analysis with Python. Let's say our first question is to see the correlation between sales and the promotion marks. Also, we need to select our database we are working on. Now we can put our code below. In the Python worksheet, you can add your packages here. Let's take NumPy for an example. You can click, and then it will add it to your installed packages. But here we don't need the NumPy. Then start run. Here is the result, and similarly, we can see as a chat view. For this analysis, we think the hit grid will be more suitable for correlation analysis. Need to adjust here. Now we get this chat, and also we can add this chat to our pre-dashboard. Change its name. And also you can adjust the place. The Snowflake also offers users with some tools to quickly complete the LLM task and the machine learning task. Let's take anomaly detection for an example. Here I have combined the sales and the feature table, and then the split it is into the prediction data and the training data. Here we choose the training data. The target clone is the weekly sales, and the timestamp is the date. Here we want to use all related features to build the model. And here we choose our prediction data. The target column is still the sales, and choose the time for the timestamp. Here we get the code, and we can copy it. Let's say 10. And here is the result. This clone is the result. So we don't need so many columns, so only choose. Now we get this table, and also move it to pre-dashboard, and rename it. Now we get all three analysis results. Finally, let's see how to transform the semi-structured data to the structured data. Here is our related code, and choose the database pre and public schema. As you can see, the data is from the URL and from the S3 website. As you can see, the original data format is the doc.json doc.gz format. And if we run the code here, you can see the data is exactly stored in the format of JSON. So after the operation here, it turned to be the format of two-dimension table, so that the semi-structured data has been transformed to the structured data.